Hey, Dan here with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2003 Toyota Tacoma. The customer came in and said the turn signals and the rear taillights had quit working. They had replaced the bulbs with no success to alleviate the situation. They wanted us to take a look at it. Through some inspection of our own, as you can see here, there's some wiring here in the cab. Actually, you can see where some wires are melted. It's an indication that possibly the wires are chafed, possibly causing some grounding issues where they shouldn't be. We informed the customer that what we should do is repair the wires, cut the wires off here in the cab, splice in some new wires and run those back to the taillights to alleviate anywhere that the wire could be broken and be grounded out against the frame. Once we completed the repair, the taillights started working again, the vehicle was back operable, safe to drive down the road, turn signals, brake lights, everything were working. So if you're having an issue with your lights, not really sure where to go or who to turn to, electrical work is something that we do specialize in here at 3D Auto Repair. Thanks for watching the video. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please share that video so people can get that information.